Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I wanna read some article by Max Hunter. The United States promised more military support for Ukraine, including drones, and is doing preliminary work on whether to send fighter aircraft as fighting raged on the as of the country 5 months into Russia's invasion. Moscow and Kiev signed a landmark deal on Friday to unblock grain export from Black Sea ports. However, representatives declined to sit at the same table and avoided shaking hands at the agreement ceremony in Istanbul, reflecting wider enmity. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky highlighted Friday's agreement as unlocking around $10 billion worth of grain export needed to ease a food crisis. But on the war, he said there could be no ceasefire unless lost territory was retaken, phrasing the conflict with the Russian Federation means a pause that gives the Russian Federation a break for rest, he told the Wall Street Journal. Society believes that all the territories must be liberated first, and then we can negotiate about what to do and how we could live in the countries ahead. There have been no major breakthrough on front lines since Russian forces seized the last 2 Ukrainian-held cities in eastern Luhansk province in late June and early July. The Ukrainian Armed Forces General Staff said Russia had shelled several dozen positions on front lines on Friday but had no success capturing territory. Russian forces failed in a bid to establish control over Ukraine's second biggest power plant at Pulharsik northeast of Donetsk, and troops also tried to advance west from the city of Lysychansk but were pushed back instead. Russia's defense ministry did not immediately reply to a request for comment out of horror by Reuters. Kiev hopes that its gradually increasing supply of Western arms, such as U.S. high-mobility artillery rocket system HIMARS, will allow it to recapture lost territory. Russia's defense ministry said on Friday its forces had destroyed 4 HIMARS systems between July 5 until 20, refuted by the United States and Ukraine. Reuters called not verify the battlefield reports. The White House on Friday announced a package of additional support totaling around $270 million and said it was doing preliminary work on whether to send fighter aircraft to Kiev, although such as move would not happen in the near term. The February 24 invasion of Ukraine has caused Europe's biggest conflict since 1949, forcing millions to flee and turning entire cities to rubble. Okay guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.